Hi guys, welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and in this video I am very excited, first of all, because this is my first time filming on my new bed. I just got a new bed and I think it looks amazing. Please tell me in the comment section down below if you think it looks nice or not. I don't care what you say about it. And second of all, I am very excited because I am going to be doing the Dollar Tree slime challenge, and I am just super excited because I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and we're gonna use all their supplies to make slime, like their glue, their activator, their shaving cream, everything that you need to make slime. So I am very excited for this video. So before we get started with the video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you do, that would be so awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the video. So as you can tell, I am now going into Dollar Tree. And here are the items that I am buying. Some white glue, shaving cream, Tide laundry detergent, and lastly, some paint. So let's get started. So you will need also a bowl, but you don't have to buy it from Dollar Tree, obviously. But if you want, you definitely can. So here I'm just picking up some white glue from Dollar Tree, and it is made by Jot. And I'm just gonna start opening my glue container. Just gonna pour it into the bowl. I'm just trying to get all of it out that I can because I don't want to waste any of it, no matter if it is just $1. But since it came with 2 white bottles of glue, I'm just going to add a second one of the glue into my bowl just to make it bigger and more fun for you guys. And here I'm just picking up some paint from Dollar Tree as well, since it has a lot of colors. So now after adding your glue, I'm just going to open my paint packet and I'm going to try and use the pink one. I got my paint out and now I'm just going to, like I said, use the pink paint. Since it came with a paintbrush, which I'm not going to use, I'll just use that to dump the paint into my bowl. Now I'm just going to take my spoon and mix the paint all into the glue. And now I'm just going to pick up some Barbasol shaving cream from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take some shaving cream that I also got at Dollar Tree. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to try and mix all of this into the glue and just hope it works. And now I'm just picking up some Tide from Dollar Tree as the slime activator. And now whenever the shaving cream is all mixed into your glue, you can add some Tide laundry detergent as the activator. I'm just using this because this was the only activator for slime that they had at Dollar Tree that I knew of. And I'll just start pouring it into my slime. And you definitely don't want to add too much at the beginning. So here is the finished slime, and mine didn't really turn out too good. I wish it would have, but it wouldn't activate too good. So I started adding some more, and then it finally turned out to be like this. You probably can't tell right now, but I think it's the shaving cream. Like there's wetness coming out, and it's not really too easy to stretch. So I don't really recommend this, but if this is the only glue and stuff that you can afford, that is totally fine. It is still slime, but I really like Elmer's glue and liquid starch better than these ingredients. So yeah. So now you'll need some glitter glue from Dollar Tree to make this glitter glue slime. And just pour that into my bowl. And oh my goodness, this looks so pretty. Now the red, whoa, that was like easy. The silver was way more chunky than this. Surprisingly, I don't know why, but. And now lastly, the gold. Oh, it's so pretty. All these colors together are like really pretty. Whoa. And I'm gonna start mixing this all together. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, and now I'm just going to add some Tide laundry detergent as the activator once again. Whoa, the blue looks really pretty. And mixing that. Hopefully this turns out, because normally this like cheap glitter glue doesn't work as good as Elmer's glitter glue. So I'm just crossing my fingers to hope for the best. It's like getting less chunky, and it's not thickening up like I want it to, so I'm so scared. I don't think this is doing anything either, you guys, so I am so sorry if this video is a fail. I just feel so bad. I feel like I should make a totally new video for you guys. I'm just sorry, guys, so this has to be a fail. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and once again, I am just so sorry that both these times were kind of a fail. I just feel so bad in my heart right now. I just hope I can make it up for you guys, and please tell me some video ideas in the description box down below, because I don't know any video ideas. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you on the intro whenever I was talking that since it is close to the holidays and videos are just so hard for me to make, I'm gonna make a video every other Saturday. So I'll post this Saturday, but not the next Saturday. But after that Saturday, I will post again that Saturday, because like the holidays are so close and everybody wants to spend time with family and friends. And it is just a ton of work for me, but I will still post every other week. But maybe after the holidays, whenever everything calms down, I will go back to every week. So I just wanted to tell you guys that before I forget. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!